Hey everybody, this is Andy Johnson from the Andy Johnson Group over at eXp Realty, and I'm sure you've all seen the Fed dropped rates, and the Fed's going to continue to most likely drop rates a couple more times. But what does that mean for you, your mortgage, buyers, sellers? What's happening in the real estate market? Well, the truth is the Fed rate cut really hasn't changed much. We really haven't seen rates adjust that much. We're still in the mid sixes. And so the key to that is affordability. And has affordability really changed? And the short answer is no. Okay, so what should you do as a buyer or seller? What does that mean for our market? Well, all buyers obviously want a lower interest rate, me included, because we get more leverage on our money. But the truth is most likely we're not going to see major rate changes for probably 6 months to a year, in my opinion, before we even get down into the fives. Now, it's just an opinion. Who knows what's actually going to happen? But what does that mean for you as a buyer? Well, as a buyer, it means we're still in a buyer's market down here in Florida, and you can get some great deals. It looks really good. You can ask for a lot of different things when you're making an offer. You can negotiate lower prices, get better terms, and things kind of look good. But what does that mean for you as a seller? Well, folks, it kind of depends on when you purchased, is the truth. If you purchased 3 or 4 years ago, I hate to say it, but we're all kind of playing with house money anyway. If you purchase more or longer than that, you're playing with even more house money. We saw a real spike in the value of our properties, and okay, maybe we missed the height of the market, but it doesn't mean that we're still not getting excellent numbers for our home. But more important than anything, whether you're a buyer or a seller, is understanding the numbers. Whether you're sitting on a vacation property, an investment home, or a primary residence, you need to understand how the numbers work for you and how they can work for you. And I'm such a proponent of knowledge. So if you don't understand all those numbers, I love numbers. It's one of my favorite things. I don't want to guess. I want to show you exactly where you stand, exactly what the market looks like it's doing based on trends, and help you come up with the decision of whether buying, selling, or staying put is the best decision for you. We can even run analysis whether or not you should rent or buy. Easy technology to get that stuff done. Bottom line, folks, that's what's going in our market today. We're still in a buyer's market per numbers, and we're probably going to stay that way. But if you have any questions and you know anyone that's thinking about buying, selling, or renting, please have them call me just so we can go through some numbers and get a deeper understanding of what things look like. Look forward to hearing from you.